How to recover unsaved Excel files. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Excel on your device. Then after, simply go to File from the left hand side corner. Choose the option of Options. Go to Save, and you can see the option of Save Auto Recover Information. Simply copy the address of the file. Go to File Explorer on your device. Go to Home option at the top left corner and select the path which you just copied. After that, you will see a folder opens on your screen. In that folder, you will be able to see all the unsaved Excel files. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.